Just going to put a dollop on there to make it look nice and pretty. Hey, I've got a bunch of stuff sitting around here. Any guesses as to what I'm going to make? I have Coffee Mate, instant coffee, Nesquik, powdered sugar, and powdered milk. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to make. I'm going to make Mocha. It's an instant mix that you can make at home, and it is so good. If you have a big container, you can use that, guys. It makes a lot. You could put it like in an empty one of these Coffee Mate containers or a big glass jar. But guys, I have a 2-gallon Ziplock bag, so that's what I'm going to mix it in. I will give you the amounts of everything in the description. But we're going to start with powdered sugar. Our Coffee Mate. Powdered milk. And guys, you can use whatever brand that you have on hand. It really honestly doesn't matter, whatever works for you. And my kids' favorite, Nesquik. I told you this was going to make a lot. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to zip this up. Make sure it's really tight. Or use a big container with a screw-on lid. And we're just going to mix this until everything is good and combined. It'll probably take 3 or 4 minutes, honestly, of just constantly moving it around. I'll show you what it looks like whenever I have everything all mixed up. Okay. I got done mixing this a couple of minutes ago. I let it set so all the powder in it would settle down. This is what it looks like in here. Okay. Depending on how strong that you like your mocha, I like mine pretty strong, use 2 or 3 heaping spoons. Well guys, it's coffee and it's chocolate, so you know I'm going to choose 3. I heated this water up in the microwave a few minutes ago. Stir it up. And go right in. It's been so long since I made this. If you've ever taken an envelope of hot chocolate and dunked it in your coffee, it's similar to that. Not quite as sweet. You could always add more powdered sugar if you want it sweeter. A recipe to me is customizable. You look at it, you make it, and you adjust it. If you want more milk, if you want more coffee flavor, if you want more chocolate flavor, just increase the amounts that I give you. I think this is really good. Now you store this at room temperature. You could store it in this. You could store it in a glass jar. You can store it in the empty Nesquik jar, which is what I'm going to do. I labeled it for the boys. But I just wanted to share this with you. It's really great in the wintertime. Thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on that next video. Just going to put a dollop on there to make it look nice and pretty. And just stir it up. course, this part is optional. You don't have to put that on there, but let me tell you, this is perfect to have on hand in the wintertime.